Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 21st, 2025, and we're going to be taking a look at Apple stock, ticker symbol Apple. We'll be discussing recent news and events surrounding the company and then dive into a detailed chart analysis to help you make informed trading decisions. The news has been dominated by President Trump's tariffs and how those may affect Apple's ability to generate profits. We will look at these impacts to help decide when to be bullish or bearish. First, let's start with the daily chart to see the overall trend. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant downturn in early April 2025, likely corresponding to news about increased tariffs. Since then, the stock has been volatile, struggling to find a clear direction. We saw a precipitous drop following April 3rd, with another large red candle on April 8th, followed by gains on April 9th and 11th. The end result was a rapid drop in the stock price. Let's now switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see quite the tug-of-war between bulls and bears, creating a choppy trading environment. There are some clear bounces around the $170 mark, and it's currently trading near $197, so we can see it's potentially trending upward again. We also see a lot more granular trends that we would not see on the one-day chart. Zooming in further to the 15-minute chart for April 16th and 17th, we can identify key short-term support and resistance levels. The stock seems to be struggling to break past 200. We can also see that much of the volume happened around the $197 mark, which seems to provide some stability to the stock price. As we analyze the current chart, the stock price has been hovering at this area since April 16th and 17th. This gives us evidence of strong resistance and support. Given the news about potential AI advancements, a long-term bullish scenario could develop if Apple successfully integrates AI into its products, driving up demand and stock value. The $237 price target discussed seems attainable under these conditions. However, in the short term, tariff concerns are likely to keep the stock volatile. If Trump's policies persist and Apple cannot mitigate the impact, we could see further downside, potentially testing support around $165. Key levels to watch are $190 as possible short-term support and $200 as major resistance. Keep an eye out for upcoming earnings reports and any news regarding supply chain adjustments, as these will be key indicators of Apple's ability to navigate the current economic landscape. If positive news is present regarding AI integrations, keep your eye out to see if that reinforces a breakout of the 200 mark. Remember to always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Happy charting, and we'll see you in the next video.